Okay, so let's start. Question A, test 4, module 1. Okay, بيقول إيه؟ The mimosa tree evolved in East Asia, where the beetle Prochidus tyrannus or B. tyrannus preys on its seeds. So, what's evolved? Something that evolved means that developed over time through a natural selection and natural changes. Okay, preys يعني feeds on. So what do we have here? We have a tree called mimosa. Okay, so we have the mimosa tree and we have the beetle. It's called B. tyrannus. Okay, طيب, and they live together. Okay, in Asia, and the beetles eats السيدز بتاعت الميموسا. السيدز عايشين مع بعض والبيتل بتاكل السيدز بتاعت الميموسا. In 1785, mimosa trees were introduced to South America. What's introduced to? Brought from another place to America. trees of mimosa were brought from Asia ودوها North America. Far from البي tyrannus. فحضرتك عندك tree, this is the tree. حضرتك عندك beetles, they live together. So what happened in 1785? They separated. tree راحت North America والbeetle فضلت في East Asia. But this is the most important word because the question is asking about the function. The function means purpose. The purpose. Why this line is written? هو ليه line ده مكتوب? Why? It's why. It's always why. Why? فنركز بقى. Evolutionarily, links between predators and their prey can persist across centuries and continents. نحاول نفهم عايز ايه؟ يعني ايه evolutionary link? long term relationship. العلاقة اللينك evolutionary اللي بقالها thousands of years. This is a generalization. بيديني generalization. In the link, the relationship between like animals, between organisms. Okay, this link between the predator and the prey. Okay, who is the predator? البيتل. البيتل. Okay, ده البريدتور بيبريدت على مين؟ بياكل ايه؟ السيدز بتاعت الميموسا. ففي لينك بينهم، في علاقه بينهم like millions of years او thousands of years. فقال لك ان الريليشن دي this link can persist. يعني ايه persist؟ continue exist across centuries and continents. يعني احنا بعدنا الميموسا عن البيتل. The mimosa now is introduced to America and actually the beetle is still in Asia. But the link is there. The relationship is there. حتى لو بعيد عن بعض لسه في، يعني نعتبرهم like friendship. There is a friendship. Okay, an evolutionary friendship. Like thousands of years في friendship بينهم. Okay, الفريندشيب دي مهما بعدتهم عن بعض الفريندشيب it's still there. Even لو هو هنا, even if it's still in one continent and the other is in the other continent, the friendship is there. The evolutionary link is there. So what's this? The generalization you can في أي حاجة في الكون ده كله. Okay? Around 2001, B. tyrannus was introduced in southern North America, near where botanist Xu Meisheng and colleagues have been monitoring mimosa trees. So at least فين بقى؟ في 2001. شو بعد كم سنة؟ من 1785 من السيبريشن الميموسا في مكان والبيتل في مكان another continent. من 1785 قرروا في 2001 like after thousands of years ان هم to bring the beetle to North America. هيرجعوا الصحاب مع بعض. يا ترى لسه فاكرين بعض؟ لسه الميموسا والبيتل لسه في لينك بينهم؟ لسه الايفولوشنري لينك موجود بينهم؟ the line, the underlined line او الجنراليزيشن بيقول ان it persists, it continues. طب نشوف ايه اللي حصل بقى. botanist Meisheng, what did he see? Within a year 93% of the trees had been attacked by the beetles. Friendship exists. Evolutionary link exists. 93% من التريز البيتل راحت سابت كل التريز وراحت لمين؟ راحت للميموسا. Why? Evolutionary link between predators and prey exist or persist continuous. اوكي طيب يجي بقى يقول لي هنا ايه what is the function of the third sentence. اوكي تعالى كده نشوف A what do we have in A. اوكي in A actually يقول ايه it states a hypothesis. What is a hypothesis? A guess, a prediction, a claim, a supposition. States يعني بيقول okay a hypothesis, a claim, a prediction, a guess that Chang and colleagues had set out to investigate using mimosa tree and B. tyrannus. يعني بتستيتس الهايبوثيسز ان شانج والكوليجز had set out to investigate هيعملوا investigate using mimosa tree and B. That's wrong. That's wrong. The sentence is not about the study or the experiment. It's a general truth. It's a general biological fact, actually. It's a general biological fact. The evolutionary relationship between species like predators and prey, it exists. So it's not A. B. It presents a generalization. I like the word generalization. It's a generalization. Okay? That is exemplified. Okay? That is exemplified. Exemplified like to prove something using an example. Okay? To prove something using an example. And that's actually what he did. Okay? To show that something is proven by using through example. That is exemplified by the discussion of the mimosa trees and the B. tyrannus. I think he gave you a great example. بتاع المimosa was brought to America in 17 blah blah blah, and after centuries, okay, they introduced or they brought the beetle, and here we go, they met together. That's the example that's the example. This is the example that proved the generalization. Okay, this is the example that proved that the generalization is right. Okay, so I think I'll go for B. ممكن نقرا C برضو. Okay, if you'd like to do that, I prefer it برضو. Okay, it offers an alternative explanation, like a different reason. Okay, alternative explanation, different reason for the findings of Chang and colleagues. Okay, actually the underlined didn't offer any theory or any explanation or any different theory. It just introduces the universal idea, the universal biological idea. Okay, so it's not C. Let's go for D. It provides context. Provide context like background information. It's called context. It provides background information that clarifies, that makes it clear why species, whatever you say it, mentioned spread to new locations. Actually يعني irrelevant خلاص ملهاش علاقة. So let's go for B. It is the generalization. It is a generalization that is exemplified by the discussion of the mimosa tree and B. tyrannus. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, if you have any comments, if you like the video, please share it and like it, and ask me if you have any question. Just leave a comment. I'd be very happy to receive your comments. Thank you so much, and let's go to the next question.